for me to get here.
Not too bad.
It's not too bad.
I'm closer to Round Top. He's closer to Liberty.
Oh,
But, you know, they're closed.
yeah. They're closed, yeah.
Yeah, we went to Jack Frost last week. Jack Frost was good.
Yeah,
Where's that?
The Poconos.
Poconos.
It's close
The
to New York.
Poconos, like Camelback
Okay.
in Pennsylvania, the
You know,
Poconos.
Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
like that area.
I never heard of that. I'm
Well-
from Cleveland, so further.
Cleveland. Oh, yeah.
Oh
further
my
away.
gosh, you're
Yeah.
coming from Ohio.
Yeah.
They don't have anything in Ohio,
They
do they?
closed it. They
Yeah.
closed it last weekend.
Wow.
Yeah, we have very small,
Yeah.
Small
very
place.
small hills.
Yeah, this is nice here. I like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, this, yeah. It's a little bit dry, but, you know, like
Yeah.
you guys, 3 hours, but not too
Yeah,
bad.
3 hours. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, 3 hours. He was closer than us.
Yeah.
From Cleveland.
Cleveland.
Woohoo.
Yeah.
Ooh, all right. Hey,
It's
enjoy.
like the West, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yep. Hey, you enjoy.
Oh,
Yeah.
you too.
yeah.
Nice chatting with you.
Good
You
talk.
too.
I definitely
Yep.
check out your videos.
Yeah, Joe in Maryland, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yep. Take care. We're going left again. That was good. Good run. We'll do that. Yep.
That corral snow was good.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
let's see how I feel. Maybe we'll do another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, this is the pond here.
Well, you know what's a shame? They're wasting all that snow.
Yeah.